Alright, this is going to be a video of this 52-inch Hunter Augusta ceiling fan. And in the last video, you click down below in the description, and you'll see the video with the last footage of the Hunter Augusta ceiling fan. And this one has the shortest down rod possible, and it's on a sloped ceiling. And they have all the pull chains, which is great. And when we're done demonstrating the fan, I will be talking about it later. So yeah, and for the bulbs I am using, I think these are 60 watt curly bulbs. And I forgot to mention, I replaced this bulb because it was white, the daylight white bulb, and we changed it to this color. I'll show you. Kind of like that yellowy color. So there's the light, and I will be demonstrating the fan on low speed. So here's low speed, and yeah, I want to say this one is in pretty good condition. It's in mint condition, like all of them are. So I'm gonna shut the light off, put it on medium speed, and it is pretty close to hitting the ceiling. It's not that close, but it's pretty close. Here's the light. So we have high speed now. Then I'll turn on the light. There's the light. And then I'll shut it off. Just put it back on low speed, and then the light. Actually, it used to be on medium speed, so I'll put that back on medium speed. Alright. So now we'll talk about the fan. So, this fan is when Hunter had the old Hunter logo ceiling fan, the old Hunter logo on the ceiling fans. Then we have the old Hunter pull chain balls. And yeah, let's talk about the fan now. So this fan is a combination of the Hunter Infinity ceiling fan, because it has Hunter Infinity motor housing. And then it has the Hunter Westminster light kit. But the pull chain's just in the center. It's usually on the side. And then it has the Hunter Westminster blades and brackets, because they're those sliding ones. So that's all I have to say. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.